Handsome, my iPhone won't turn on. Can you help me check what the issue is? And then replace the battery. How much would that cost?
Since it won't power on, I'll run diagnostics for you. I'll check it out for you. As for the battery, it's 188.
Handsome, you get what I mean, right?
Ha ha ha. All right. Got it. Got it. Miss, your phone is fixed.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.